as PEPE2 dumps after 1,000% move, but this audited Bitcoin project has secured $200,000 in funding, 100x potential. Im class equals align on size vol WP image 129,693 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,615,494 pepe2 0e196800 3730614-10 JPEG alt equals width equals 1924 height equals 575 SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,615,494 pepe2 0e196800 3730614-10 x575-1 JPEG 1024 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,615,494 pepe2 0e196800 3730614-10 x575-1-30 Xerox 168 JPEG 300 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,615,494 pepe2 0e196800 3730614-10 x575-1-768 x431 JPEG 768 with sizes equals max width 1024 x 100 WA 1024 x/is copycat tokens rise on DX markets. The latest spin-off PEPE2 token has undertaken a +1.0% move, yet amid the surge of breakout, warning signs reveal a potential scam, while safer Bitcoin project is capturing the attention of traders. Recent months have seen a huge trend in explosive DEX-launched tokens, with countless moonshots garnering significant attention, including the ever-popular APX, SAMBO bot, baby meme, milk, XDOGE and IO. Im class equals align on size vol WP image 129,658 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,612,416 screenshot 156 PNG alt equals width equals 1900 height equals 747 SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,612,416 screenshot 156 PNG 1900 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,612,416 screenshot 156 300x11 PNG 300 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,612,416 screenshot 156 1924 x 403 PNG 1924 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,612,416 screenshot 156 768 x 302 PNG 768 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload/2023/11/1,689,612,416 screenshot 156 19536 604 PNG 19536 with sizes equals max width 1900 x 100 WA 1900 x/the new project has seen more than 548 holders flock to take position in the emerging moonshot, although Bubble Maps highlights that there is a major cluster of wallet addresses connected by PEPE2 transfers that accounts for over 37% of token supply, heightening the risk of a dump and a major warning sign. PEPE2 price analysis: as PEPE2 spikes at +1.000% was a dump inevitable. As PEPE2 price capitulates in a seismic dump, this PEPE2 spin-off is currently trading at a market price of 2,144 cents, representing a 24-hour change of 56%. The dramatic downside move came following a breakout +1.000% rally, which saw price leap up +615% in the first 3 hours of trading, following a stealth launch at midnight on November 10. Im class equals align on size vol WP image 129,686 SRC equals https /cryptonews com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,614,1959 PEPE2 DEX-launched 2023 11/10/1051 PNG alt equals with equals 1478 height equals 631 src set equals https /cryptonews com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,614,1959 PEPE2 DEX-launched 2023 11/10/1051 PNG 1478 https /cryptonews com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,614,1959 PEPE2 DEX-launched 2023 11/10/1051 300x128 PNG 300 https /cryptonews com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,614,1959 PEPE2 DEX-launched 2023 11/10/1051 11/10 4x437 PNG 1924 https /cryptonews com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,614,1959 PEPE2 DEX-launched 2023 11/10/1051 11/768x328 PNG 768 WS ISIS equals max width 1478 100 1478 a brief support level was established at 3,586 cents across the early hours, setting the stage for an explosion in price action this morning. Across 3 hours, price hammered up plus 202% out of consolidation, hitting an all-time high at 1,085 cents around 8 a.m. this morning, November 10. Price struggled to establish support at these levels amid declining buy pressure, and this set the stage for the tremendous dump with price tumbling 57.56% in just 1 hour. The dump appears to have been triggered by the highlighted cluster above, with the second biggest address Xerox 75,135,484,246.327721.871 C4 DFD 39F6B7 initiating proceedings as it dumped 2% of total supply. Class equals align on size full WP image 129,682 src equals https /cryptonews com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,614,1922 screenshot 157 PNG alt equals with equals 1,1938 height equals 686 src set equals https /cryptonews com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,614,1922 screenshot 157 PNG 1938 https /cryptonews com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,614,1922 screenshot 157 300x108 PNG 300 https /cryptonews com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,614,1922 screenshot 157 1924x 368 PNG 1924 https /cryptonews com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,614,1922 screenshot 157 768x 276 PNG 768 https /cryptonews com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,614,1922 screenshot 157 19536 552 PNG 19536 with sizes equals max width 1938 100 1938 this was quickly followed with subsequent sells by connected 8 biggest addresses. Xerox 66 F98 Dasven B41 F of BCE 8A45 B18 Asven 9C5 F of FCC AD 332 5 dumping 2. 65% of supply. And third biggest address Xerox 9 E70 off 121 E50 FF 8CC A24 C3X0 A3 E254 FB dumping 3% of supply. and a fourth address Xerox017F4BB2A60C59252,829,626B7CB781E. With all of these addresses connected in the same localized cluster, this appears to be a coordinated move, perhaps by just one major whale, initiating a devastating rug pull on fellow holders with around 10% of supply sold in the space of 4 minutes, netting the dumper around $83,750 in ETH. The dump move was signaled by the emergence of the substantial supply cluster, a classic warning sign for rug pull activity, with further warning signs emerging across 3 audits which confirm this PEPE2 spin-off as a honeypot. But while PEPE2 holders are reeling from the stolen gains, a fully audited and security-vetted Bitcoin ETF Presale is emerging as a trader's favorite heading into the weekend. This Bitcoin alternative token could skyrocket amid Bitcoin ETF bull run. Don't miss out. Im class equals align on size vol WP image 129,681 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,615,278 1,689,526,473 Bitcoin F. JPG alt equals width equals 1050 height equals 580 SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,615,278 1,689,526,473 Bitcoin F. JPG 1050 https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,615,278 1,689,526,473 Bitcoin F 300x 169 JPG 300 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,615,278 1,689,526,473 Bitcoin F 1024x 575 JPG 1924 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,615,278 1,689,526,473 Bitcoin F 768x 432 JPG 768 with sizes equals max width 1050x 100 WA 1050x / a new Bitcoin alternative Presale launched this week, offering eagle-eyed traders the opportunity to make it big on unfolding Bitcoin ETF rumors without having to eat the $36,000 cost of becoming a whole coiner. Bitcoin ETF token $BTCF is currently trading at a market price of 5 cents in funding round stage 1 with an alluring $237,045 raised in the opening day of the Presale. Designed and built with skyrocket potential in mind, this promising token aims to bank big on market excitement surrounding the ongoing applications for Bitcoin spot ETFs. Aiming for a hard cap of $5M in Presale funding, the early stage of this emerging project's Presale offers investors a unique opportunity to get in during this early entry point, which could set the stage for life-changing gains. Ride the ETF rally with ease. Bitcoin ETF token is a critical component in every BTC trader's toolbox. Im class equals align on size vol WP image 129,692 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,615,285 1,689,442,688 pasted image 017 PNG alt equals width equals 1600 height equals 589 SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,615,285 1,689,442,688 pasted image 017 PNG 1 or 600 WA https://cryptonews.com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,615,285 1,689,442,688 pasted image 017 30 Xerox 11 2 PNG 30 0 https://cryptonews com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,615,295 1,689,442,688 pasted image 0171024x383 PNG 1 2 4 https://cryptonews com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,615,295 1,689,442,688 pasted image 017 768x288 PNG https://cryptonews com/WP content /upload /2023/11/1,689,615,295 1,689,442,688 pasted image 017 1,536,575 PNG 1,536 WA sizes equals max width 1600x 100 WA 1600x / indeed Bitcoin ETF isn't simply a useless meme coin beyond taking aim at the biggest narrative in crypto. BTCF has a major utility, Bitcoin ETF news alerts. The token's D app offers traders a live feed of the latest Bitcoin spot ETF information and news with sophisticated technology tracking applications, real-time at the SEC, and high-speed bots monitoring social media for the latest breaking ETF news. But a simple feed of Bitcoin spot ETF news only highlights a fraction of Bitcoin ETF tokens' potential, with easy access to real-time update alerts offering sharp traders the opportunity to make market-beating returns stress-free, being amongst the first to hear about privileged Bitcoin spot ETF news. This could enable traders to position themselves appropriately in seismic Bitcoin market movements, making Bitcoin ETF token a critical component in every BTC trader's toolbox this winter. Surging interest in Bitcoin alternatives leaves $BTCF poised to outperform PEPE2 token. Project tokenomics are bolstered by ambitious plans for the incorporation of staking rewards that incentivize long-term holding alongside a burn mechanism which will enhance $BTCF as a digital gold alternative by creating a deflationary mechanism in price. Set for Stage 3 of the Bitcoin ETF project roadmap, an initial burn mechanism will be introduced amid a well-marketed DEX launch, imposing an initial 5% burn tax on transactions. This will be reduced by 1% each time a Bitcoin ETF news milestone is reached. However, plans are afoot for a larger burn mechanism in Stage 4, in a move that will see 25% of token supply burned over time. This will be conducted in 5% burn intervals, with each supply-side reduction taking place as a Bitcoin ETF news milestone is met. The milestones for the burn mechanism are as follows. Milestone 1, $BTCF trading volume hits $100, burn tax on. Transactions reduced from 5% to 4%, and 5% of total supply is burned. Milestone 2, first Bitcoin ETF is approved by SEC, burn tax on transactions is reduced from 4% to 3%, and a further 5% of total supply is burned. Milestone 3, first Bitcoin ETF launch date, burn tax on transactions is reduced from 3% to 2%, and a further 5% of total supply is burned. Milestone 4, Bitcoin ETF assets under management, AUM hits $1 billion, burn tax on transactions is reduced from 2% to 1%, and a further 5% of total supply is burned. Milestone 5, Bitcoin price hits $100, burn tax on transactions is reduced from 1% to 0%, and a further 5% of total supply is burned. This will create a gradual decrease in total supply, eventually leaving around 70% of BTCF in circulation, with the supply side reduction inducing upside price growth. And that is without considering the potential for token value accrual driven by demand from traders for access to the ETF News D app and the ever-present demand for Bitcoin alternatives. Indeed, 2023 has seen explosive growth in Bitcoin-related tokens, with markets showing a real appetite for BRC20 ordinal tokens, Bitcoin cloud mining, and Bitcoin derivatives. So don't miss your chance to get in early ahead of the next major Bitcoin rally leg. Buy Bitcoin ETF here. Disclaimer. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter or quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up in SRC equals https://simco/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals img ID equals newsletter pop-up img.